Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. After the breakout from a down channel on the daily time frame chart, you can see that BitTorrent has turned very strong bullish, and now we are about to hit the target for the breakout from this channel. I've been telling you was here at the top of the channel, the target for the breakout from this channel, and we are about to hit that target. Recently, we have broken out this quite long-term resistance of 0.0000 and 0.5 times $0.167. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that, it was working as a resistance here as well. And again, it can work as a very strong support after this breakout. You can see that now we have broken it out. In fact, it is flipped into a strong support. We have tested the support, but still moving here sideways. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price line was rejected by this resistance of 220 and got stuck inside this down channel that we have recently broken out. By the way, here we have also found a quite long-term up trend line support as well. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce that we have recently seen here. That was happened on 4th of November 2024. And if the price will be once again rejected, then it can again test this uptrend line, a quite long-term uptrend line support once again. And we will also analyze this support and this rally. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Aave, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 25th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared on 9th of September 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bat move that BitTorrent was completing with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as predicted, the price then dropped more down, completed the final leg here. Then we had a very, very nice reversal and rallied even beyond the sell target. And this was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And while moving inside this channel, the price then tested this quite long-term up trend line support and geared up and broke out the resistance of the channel. And after that, for several days, the price then could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 108 and goes to 115.0000 and 0.5 times 0.115. And after the breakout, the price then has now pumped very well. And recently, we have broken out another quite long-term resistance of 167. That was recently working as a resistance here, and for a few days it has been working as support here as well. And before that, here in the month of December, on 11th of December 2023, it had been working as a very, very strong resistance. And if we move more back, then here in the month of March 2022, Feb and March 2023, it has been working as a very strong support as well. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we are still breaking out this resistance, but on the daily time frame chart, we have completely broken it out. And I'm expecting that soon we may have the closing on the 7 days time frame chart above this resistance of 167 as well. By the way, the target for the breakout from this channel that I've been telling you in my so many previous videos was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 220. That is the top of the channel. And that was another very long-term resistance as well that was previously working as a resistance here. And again, here in the month of March 2024, price and rejected by this resistance of 220 very strongly and got stuck inside this channel. And now on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a very nice rally, this one and this one. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far, it has rallied almost 511%. But despite this 511% rally so far, the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. That move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is at 255. So this also update so far. I hope that you like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.